Welcome back to the shed. Today I'm going to be talking more about this Bosch drill press over here. I recently did a video reviewing the drill press. I spoke about a lot of things that I like about this drill press, but I also spoke about a few things I didn't like. And one of those things was this wheel here. Now, a lot of people don't like this wheel. And what I was actually going to do, I was actually going to try and make something to make this wheel a bit more user-friendly. And a lot of my subscribers actually told me there's a better option. And you can see those comments just up here. And I've actually gone out and bought one of these, so I'm really excited to show you guys. Let's get to it. Now, I got this off Temu. I mean, everyone loves Temu, don't they? So I haven't actually opened it yet. Hopefully the quality's not too bad. I'm gonna talk about the price later, but basically, this is what we're working with here. So it's a little knob, and I can tell you right now, the bearings on it are really good. It's actually spinning quite freely. It's actually got quite a lot of weight to it as well, which is just another good thing straight out of the box. Comes with an Allen key and 2 bolts. So let's see if this will fit on the wheel. Now, the first thing I'll do is just undo these back bolts here. If it's there we go, that's a lot better like that. Okay, so first impressions, it looks really good. As you can see there, have a look at how good these bearings are. The quality is amazing. There's not much wobble or movement in the actual spinner head here. Let's have a crack and see how it runs. I mean, you're crazy not to get one of these, to be honest. Okay, so let's talk about price. I paid $13 Australian for this little steering wheel knob here. I don't really understand how Temu works. I just checked it an hour ago just to tell you guys the price, and it did say you could get it for like $5.98 if you use a coupon code or something, but it still did cost $13 when I last looked, so that's super cheap. I got this free shipping. It took about 10 days to get here, so I mean, I think it's awesome. I guess they use these knobs for steering wheels and tractor wheels and that sort of thing. But for this purpose, I think it works really well. By the way, just an update with my Ryobi thicknesser. It's completely buggered. I've actually had it looked at, and turns out the sparks coming from the motor were not just brushes. I know a lot of the subscribers were commenting and saying that you could just replace these brushes here. I'll show you. Okay, so these brushes actually aren't completely worn out. What it is, actually inside here there's a part called an armature, and there's actually a crack in one of the armature blades, and that is what's causing the spark. And the only way you can fix that is to replace the whole armature, which is part of this whole motor assembly here. Not the news I wanted to hear. So this is probably going to be going in the bin, and I don't know what to do now. Hopefully I can find or source a second-hand thicknesser and get it up and running again. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. It was just a quick one to show you a little item that I bought that improved my drill press. If you did get something out of this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the workshop next time. Cheers.